Visual Basic for Applications, which is the programming language embedded into Excel, which will enhance the tool with the routines and functions. I created 2 courses about Visual Basic for Applications. It is not a dedicated course for Visual Basic. It is a course dedicated to Excel dashboards. So I'm going to So first of all, if you want to use Visual Basic for Applications, you have to have the developer ribbon activated into your Excel tool. Here we are in one of my previous examples. This is the UAT testing report and dashboard, if you remember. It's not important at the moment to start off. Let's say that you have a new one. If you don't want to consider the other one, here I have one worksheet and I have the developer ribbon activated. If you don't see options, customize ribbon, and be sure that the developer here checkbox is checked. Okay, and here you can see what is included in this as well. Okay, here. Okay, this has to be checked. And once you are checked, you have to be familiar with this area, with this ribbon. In this course, we're going to see this part and this part. Here in fact, Visual Basic for Applications is an object-oriented programming language. That means that you use objects to create actions, to perform activities. And to each object you will assign routines and functions, which are described in form of you will use to trigger events. Okay, so this is a basic understanding of Visual Basic for Applications. It is basically everything that is included in the developer ribbon, which will add add-ons to your tool. When you're going to use Visual Basic for Applications is when you cannot find functions or features in Excel and you need to do something more than just using these functions. You need to go one step ahead, create your user-defined functions or forms in order to perform further activities. Okay?